Hey guys, I'm Arf and I'm Ayu, and we're the Tasty Twins. So today we're making a purple blueberry smoothie. Let's get into it. So I hope you remember from our last video we made the green dream smoothie. So now we're going to make more smoothies in our smoothie series. So it's a perfect time to go onto our website in the get in touch section, or just comment on this video what smoothie you would want us to make for the smoothie series. So we have the ingredients on this list. We have 1 cup of blueberries, 1.5 cup of oat milk, a handful of spinach leaves, 1 banana, and 1 teaspoon of honey or agave syrup. It's your choice. So we have a Vitamix, and now we're going to add in first the 1 cup of washed blueberries. Add in the 1.5 cups of oat milk. So we added, in our last video we added in almond milk, and this one we're adding oat milk. We haven't used regular milk because these substitutions are a lot healthier, and we kind of want a healthy smoothie in the end. And then the 1 cup of spinach leaves. So now we're going to add a whole banana. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of honey. You can use agave syrup and then just use the same amount. Stick it in. Okay, so now we're going to mix it. So our smoothie turned out to be pretty good, and in the comment section below, tell us how they turned out if you made our smoothie. And also in the comment section or in the get in touch section of our website, give us some ideas on what smoothies we can make in the future, or just any video ideas. Stay safe, and thank you for watching.